800-volt battery packs were already used in EVs. Loggers used to test such batteries need high insulation performance and fast data output capability. Hi, I'm Yoshitaru Nishimura from Hioki. I'm the project leader for this data logger. Understanding the voltage and temperature of individual cells is crucial for extending driving range. Each cell's voltage is only a few volts, but the sum voltage of the stack is applied between the logger and ground. This measurement module can withstand a high voltage relative to ground, which means it can safely measure battery packs of 800 volts or more. Simply add more of this module until you have enough channels for each cell. Currently, batteries are controlled by millisecond order data transfers, and loggers used to develop efficient batteries must keep up with this speed. This logger has a LAN port for data output. It features real-time transfer capability at a 5 millisecond cycle and is Hill simulation compatible. Hioki's data logger combines high insulation performance with high-speed data output. Those capabilities make it ideal for evaluating battery packs.